my job title is precision surface grinding machinist. Mainly what I do is I'll be given a piece and there will be like a screw flat that I'll need to grind off of it. And so I'll grind off on their pieces, normally doing 10, 15, 20 pieces at a time. And normally there'll be a couple hundred, varies sometimes. But that's mostly what I do. It showed me what it would be like to be in a factory machining setting. It showed me how to use a lot of very popular machines like mills and lathes and stuff like that. And especially towards the end, I had this one class with a professor, Joe Spess. And he it was a class where at the end we had a group project. I think it was a manufacturing processes class. At the end, we had a project where basically he split us all into the majors that we'd be going in. So there would be some people working on designs, other people working on machines, other people working on getting all the pieces that we would need for the project that we get. So it was really able to put me in the setting of being as if I was in an actual machine shop, which, in my opinion, prepared me very well for the workforce. Well, I always was kind of wanting to work with my hands, working with hands-on things. And don't get me wrong, I love CAD. Welding, I'm sure, is very interesting. But the machining side of it, in my junior year, there was a option where you could take a senior year class in your junior year. It was my first machining class, where basically you'd be working on the machines, doing projects on it. And as soon as I heard about that, I wanted to do it because I saw the machines out there. They interest me right away by just looking at them, and then hearing how they function in the first couple months of that class was great. And then being able to work on them was even better. And it just caught my interest immediately. Definitely Joe Spess was very helpful. Another professor, Jim Heinrich, he was also very helpful. And Brett Harkness, he was also those three professors very instrumental in my success at JCC. Timothy Piazza, he was also a huge help when I had to take my physics class. I would have not passed that class without him. My machining class with Jim Heinrich, that one I took, I believe, two classes with him and then one class at P-Tech. That one was probably my favorite just because, like I said, it was the most hands-on. I was working with machines for hours on end. The class would probably, I think it was from 9 to 3 or something like that. So it was a long class, but we were on the machines the entire time. He even gave us a lunch break in the middle of it. So it was pretty much like an actual like shift at a shop. I would definitely say that as long as I can work here, it would be good because I really like the environment here. I really like the people here. Definitely, my goal would be to learn some more things about all the different types of machines here. Because one thing that they do here, which I really like, is they don't just stick you on one machine and then they leave you on there for years on end. They get you moving around. So you'll learn this machine, become really good at it with that, and then they'll move you on to something else and you'll become really good at that. And that's one of my goals is just learning how to use not only the one surface grinding machine that I've been using, but also all dozens of other machines that they have in here.